Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to get into some fun unboxing, kind of first impressions reviews of a new Jujubee print that came out. Actually, two new prints. There was Dot Dot and Amethyst Ice. No, sorry, Dot 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 and Amethyst Ice. They are both super cute, very winter, very kind of feminine, girly, grays. I love grays and purples. My bedroom is gray and purple. I am like gray obsessed right now. I don't know why, but it just, yeah, that's just my obsession is gray. Gray, as you can tell. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave so that you get updates when I upload videos. All right, now let's get into this. I did not purchase this from Jujubee website. I did not because they didn't have the item that I wanted the most in this print, and so I had to go to a smaller retailer. So I actually purchased this order from Global Infant. I purchase from them quite often because they did have the one specific item that I wanted, and that is this beauty. Look at this color. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This is the first time I've seen it in real life. So let's see here. This is the Starlit in Amethyst Ice, and I cannot remember the price. Oh crud. I'll link the price up here because I can't remember off the top of my head. But what I was planning on using this for is for like traveling, not for like airplane rides or anything like that, but for car rides, weekend bag. I do need to get the additional straps so you can attach the strap here and make it like a duffel bag, because that'll come in super handy. But look at that interior. It's gorgeous. It's so pretty. It's a beautiful gray and purple. Oh, I seriously love this. Look at how pretty this is. And it comes with the nice gray hardware opposed to like the black or the gold. I just love this. And this is really, it's really a good size. Let me show you guys on the body. So of course it's not packed up at the moment, but look at the size of it is perfect. It would be great for like a gym bag. You could totally put your tennis shoes, a towel, a change of clothes, water bottle, some snacks, man, you know, a hair dryer if you have your makeup or something, if you want to use it to go to the gym in the morning before you go to work or whatever. And it has this nice zipper pocket here, so you can put your keys or something there. And then it has another back pocket that snaps here. And I do have a Starlet for the baby also that we use when we go out of town. And his is in the Animalini print. And I just love it because it's perfect. It fits his toys. It fits some books, clothes, tons of diapers, you know, things like that, shoes, whatever. So they're perfect. I love it. So I got that for myself for when we travel, so I don't have to use my Louis all the time. And then I also got a B set in Amethyst Ice. Oh, let's see. So I got this Amethyst Ice B set, and it's so pretty. I just love the color combination with these. Oh darn it, the sticky just came off of the tab. But the nice thing about the B sets is it comes with 3 different sizes: a large, a medium, and a small. These are great for little first aid kits for the babies, bag for your own bag, whatever, lipsticks, hair ties, you know, I mean, shoot, you can go on and on and on. You can use it as a coin purse, money, wallet, whatever. Same with the medium. A lot of people use these for like a wallet or something. You can put money, coupons, whatever you want in here. And the nice thing is that comes with the strap. The medium and the large do come with straps. The large strap is a lot longer. A lot of people wear these crossbody. You can take the strap off and put it on quick and use it as a crossbody little, you know, head to the supermarket, flea market, farmer's market, wherever you're going, you know, for a quick errands or something, or even a night out. If you have a nice black one, you want to use it as a night out, for the night out, by all means, do it. So this is super cute. Look at how cute this is. Okay, and then the last item that I purchased at this release is the Dot 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 Quick. And here it is. It's very cute. Also very feminine. I love the femininity in it. It's so cute. And I love this. I do love the gray hardware Gray zipper, so cute. The only thing I don't like is just a plain gray interior. I don't know, they could have done something, you know, made it like that silkier type of material and done some kind of pattern or something in it. I don't know, it's just a little plain, but I mean, it's the inside of a bag. Whoop-de-doo, right? But look at the color combination of these, you guys. This is insanely gorgeous. Insanely feminine. Look at how beautiful here with the dots and the amethyst ice. I love it. The reason I ordered these actually was because I saw a BRB in the ... and I just thought, oh my gosh, that is so stinking cute. I actually did not order the BRB. I am now contemplating on ordering it. Luckily, Jujubee does still have a lot of those styles and prints available. So if you guys are interested, head on over to the Jujubee website. You can also still pick up a lot of the different prints as well as the different styles of bags in these two wonderful prints at most of your smaller retailers. That's great too. If you can find them, that's awesome. I personally love this print. It's just so girly, so feminine. It's not just for a boy mom. It's not just for a girl mom. It's really for both. I mean, us women are the ones that carry these bags, so why shouldn't we be able to carry something that makes us feel good, makes us feel feminine, makes us happy? This makes me happy. This makes me happy. Look at how pretty this is. So anyway, that's my little haul from the latest release. I cannot wait for the next release to come out. I hear there's going to be some camera bags coming. There's going to be some more pump bags and different prints. Some of the prints I'm not like loving right now. I did see a leak for a Toki print that's coming out. It reminds me of Mario Kart. I don't know if you guys have seen that. You can definitely go over to the Jujubee Pink Lady chat room. I'm sure you can see some leaked pictures on that print. It's not one of my favorites. I don't know if I love it just yet. It'll probably grow on me as the months go by, and I'll probably be all over buying everything in that print, but right now it's just not my favorite. But that's okay. It doesn't have to be for everyone, right? Alright, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful for you in making decisions on purchasing some of these great items in these amazing print right now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you lovelies later. Goodbye.